hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for.
Hello guys, yeah, I'm going to be making a egusi soup. So I'm here with my kids, so excuse the noise guys. So I want to make egusi soup. Like, this is the egusi I have. So I'm going to start by blending my pepper, onions and tomatoes. So guys, I bought these pots a long time ago, but because of my old gas I could not use it because that gas was just burning. Like, if you use any pot, the pot is going to turn to black. So because this pot was kind of white, I decided to like save my pot. So now I have a new gas. Yeah. So I want to be using this my pot for the first time to make a egusi soup. Without talking too much, let us start cooking. We move. So I'm making two food though. I'm going to be making a egusi soup and spinach stew, yeah. So that's onions, this is bell pepper. And I'm going to be using this Scotch bonnet. This Scotch bonnet is spicy though, but let me just use one. So I'm adding some tomatoes. I think that's enough. That's enough for our soup.
Mommy, I'm going to blend this up?
Of course, I'm going to be blending this.
I thought you were going to put it in the pot. And
the pot? I'll blend it first, then I fry it. You want to learn how to cook?
Yes. Yes. To cook. Let me cook, mommy.
Okay, Papi, you learn how to cook, okay?
Yeah, no one cook. It's one that I can cook, mommy. When I'm 11 years old.
I don't know. I think mommy! 12 years should know how to cook, or what do you guys think? Maybe 12 years, 13 years, 14 years. Mommies out there, let me know in the comment section at what age is kids supposed to cook. Like, let me know in the comment section.
Yeah.
So
those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling. And I get we're looking down from the sky.
guys, I want to blend my egusi now. I like washing my egusi first. Guys, it's very important to do this because the kind of water that comes out from your egusi after washing it, this thing can be dirty. Just take a look at the water. You see? I just added water to the egusi.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't.
So guys, I have to change my pot because this one was burning. I don't know why. It was burning.
Give up this feeling. And I get we're looking down from the sky.
But I really want this egusi to fry, you know. I really want it to fry before I add any other thing. the meat we are going to be using for the soup.